Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we are going to learn the simple mini mandala from start to finish. Like and subscribe to my channel for regular tutorials. For this I'm using Brustro sketchbook, Luxor finewriters, classmate supplies and method instrument set. Start by finding out the center of your paper. As you can see, I have already marked it in advance. And proceed with drawing concentric circles. Ideally, you can take the increments of 1 centimeter. That is, the first circle should be of radius 1 centimeter, second will be of 2 centimeter, third will be of 3 centimeter, and so on. Here I am just going by my instinct and approximation. This is also totally fine. But if you are a beginner, I would recommend you to take proper measurements before you start drawing. Next step, which is common for all the mandalas, is to draw your basic grid. I already have a very detailed explained video on different methods, different ways to draw a basic mandala grid. If you are a beginner, you may want to refer to that video. Next, I am marking the points at 10 degrees each. You can take measurement of your choice as well. Although it's better to keep the measurements small, the next step is to join all our points to the center and extend it on the other side of the circle so that our grid is complete. Our grid is complete. I want to make this as colorful as possible, so I'll be using different colored Luxor finewriter. I have a detailed review video on these, and these are my absolute favorite. For the innermost layer or the innermost circle, I'm choosing simple lines. I'm just tracing the lines which are already drawn for the grid. This mandala is very good if you are a beginner for improving your wrist movements and practicing the uniformity. As you know, mandala is an art form that is all about symmetry, uniformity. So these type of mandalas which have extensive repetition of patterns, lines or curves are what a beginner should be drawing in its initial stages. So the innermost circle is complete. For the next layer, I am choosing the color pink. I am tracing the lines again and drawing an additional line in the center. And I will repeat this step for alternative boxes or alternative sections. So you can see I have left one section in the middle and then I am drawing 3 lines in all the alternate boxes. Try to keep them as uniform as possible. Complete your entire circle with these vertical lines. For the next step, in the alternate boxes that we have left blank, we will draw 3 lines in the center, dividing the section in 4 equal segments. So we are drawing a total of 5 horizontal lines, one at the top, one at the bottom, one exactly in the middle, and then dividing those 2 boxes by 2 again lines. So 5 lines dividing the box into 4 smaller boxes. And you will repeat this step with every section that we have left blank. Now repeat the same step in all the subsequent layers using different colored pens. The only point to keep in mind is that if you have drawn horizontal lines in previous layer, draw vertical over it in the next layer. Do not draw horizontal over horizontal or vertical over vertical. It should be alternate. And you will repeat this step for the entire mandala. with this we have completed our mandala, and you can see how uniform it looks. This is a very good practice for beginners for practicing lines and uniformity.